Hey guys, it's Mo, and today I have for you my July, I almost said January, my July 2020 flip through, after the pin flip through. I haven't been doing too many plan with me's because honestly I'm planned so far out. I'm planned out until like the second week of, or I've put stickers down I guess, until the second week of September. And literally if I have a chance tonight, I think Zach's gonna play D&D with his friends online, which, did you know that's a thing that you can do now? I mean, you probably could do it before. I mean, like, he's been doing it because of the pandemic or whatnot. So they're still doing that. And so after the baby goes to bed, I may sit down and like put a whole bunch of stickers in my planner, because I'm feeling the fall vibes, even though I'm like, we need to not wish the seasons away. We need to enjoy where we're at. Like, right now when I'm filming this, it is Lammas, and so I am, or Lunasa, the first harvest season, or harvest celebration of the Wheel of the Year, and every time there comes up, you know, like a turn of the wheel, I'm like, we have to honor where we're at. We need to be mindful of the seasons changing and like be thankful for what this season is bringing, you know what I mean? And not just wish away the rest of summer. You know, it's, yes, we're halfway between the summer solstice and the autumn equinox, but that doesn't mean that we're all the way into autumn, you know what I mean? So even though I'm feeling the autumn vibes, I need to keep it back into summer, put some flip-flops on, and don't wish the rest of summer away. So let's get into the flip through. Honestly, I don't know if it's up yet, but it might be, or it's probably not. It'll be up soon. I'm gonna have a flip through and setup of my Pression A5. They called it the spiral cover, I think, like A5 wide spiral cover, but it fits your happy planner or your classic size discbound, as I like to call it. So I'll give you a peeky peek. You can see this on my Instagram too. It's probably gonna give you some glare. Yeah, let's get a piece of washi tape under there just for, I'm gonna hold it up. There's so much glare. I need to fix my lights. I'm never gonna do it though. This is it. This is the pockets. I haven't set up pockets in like 16 years, but it is beautiful. So let's go into the July flip through. So I don't have a monthly because I didn't do monthlies, and I haven't done monthlies since like May or June. I just did one for August. But, so let's see if I can get this in frame here. So this was 4th of July. I used one of my holiday bundle kits and then some of my firework washi or firework foiled overlays. Again, I'm going to promise this in every video that I will do a video on foiling. I will, I promise. I just don't know when it's going to be. We did go to my cousin's to swim for the 4th of July, and I felt like Supermom that day. Honestly, this has been, you won't see it a lot, but I think of this plant or this sticker a lot because if I get stuff done, then I put down the Supermom sticker. So I got everybody in the car on time on this. I made boiled eggs, I did some laundry, found everybody's swim clothes and all that stuff. And we were in the car on time, and we got to my cousin's on time, and it was great. And so, Supermom sticker. And I haven't used it a lot. I always think, oh, I should put a Supermom sticker in my planner because I remembered this or whatever, but I hardly ever do. This is a note, I know we're not on this week yet, but this was a note that's sticking in there of how much Tylenol to give Marky for his teething. So this was a printable from the Patreon printable of the month. I don't know how to catch the gold without like super glaring you guys on here, but like this has foil on it too. And this is using, like the template I use to make these stickers is the newer standard vertical with washi template that I have up for you guys, and I like it because it fits perfectly. There's like just enough stuff, just enough stickers in it to where I use all of the stickers nearly, and they just space out so nice on my spreads, and I am so, I don't know, I love it so much. Marcus also was eating bites of things on this week, so this is July 6th through the 12th. Yeah, I don't know. Marcus was sick from daycare, and then we realized he was kind of teething, and they sent him home because he had a fever and it was teething. But yeah, this is kind of a fairy tale Disney kit that I put together for myself. I have some like geometric looking foiled overlays, and I really like that I started kind of using, did I do this here? So yeah, I really started liking using like the washi tape as extra headers or something, like just to fill in the decor, and I really liked that. Also, these stickers are, I have a tutorial on the channel on how to turn your handwriting into your own script stickers. Awesome for Cricut and for Silhouette, so you can do it for both. Then this is silver foil, and it says a dream is a wish your heart makes. And yeah, so then we get into this one. This was another spread I loved. I love the minimal, like, I don't know what you would call it, just neutral stuff. And I didn't use any overlays. And this dot grid paper, and oh, I've been asked, I draw out my layouts. If I can remember, I will leave a link, or not a link, I'll leave a link because I have Plan With Me videos on how I pre-plan, like how I have stickers out down until the second week of September. But I have videos on how I pre-plan this and just kind of lay down stickers and have fun. So I will leave links to those, which those videos have the measurements of the boxes and stuff. This is another kit I made using the newer standard vertical with washi template that I have. I used some of the Stick Girl, original Stick Girl things from the Happy Planner. Some more like little icons. Marcus's last bottle was Saturday the 25th, and we went on, now we're just fully on cups. He actually handled it really well. We kind of switched up, which here's a tip, I don't know if it's like a real tip or if it's something I made up. We switched up his routine a little bit, so we did the same stuff just in a different order. So we used to do bath, book, and bottle, and bedtime. All of this starts with B, I guess. But we did book, then we did bath. Yeah, we did book first. So we started in his room and did book. And then we went to the bathroom, did his bath, came back to the bedroom, put his jammies on and stuff. We said thank you to the sun as I closed his curtains and turned off his light, and then got in his rocking chair and kind of rocked him. You know, and I think that kind of threw out, I guess, not throughout, but kind of, I don't know, helped him to kind of, I don't know, he didn't realize that something was missing, if that makes sense. Like, because we were doing similar things, he maybe didn't realize that something was missing from that routine. And so, I mean, he went down perfectly. We cuddled for a little bit. And then just, I don't know, I sang to him, did a little bit of cuddles, put him down, and he was out. And it was amazing. So now it's this week. So he was on Sunday. Saturday was his last bottle, and he hasn't, and it's Saturday right now when I'm filming this, film July flip through, and he hasn't had a bottle in a week. Oh my God, I can't believe it. So this is this week. I'm going to take this out. I have a video on my channel also about making like your own little vinyl accessories and stuff for your planner. No bottles this week. I do want to write another milestone there, but no bottles this week. I got a new Happy Planner punch. Let's see here. Water day was rescheduled because of rain for Marcus. We had to reschedule some stuff with family. This, oh, I didn't even say what kit some of these were, I think. Oh, I did. So I made this kit. This was for July Patreon, I think, printable of the month. This one, I think it's from Planning Choco, a printable shop. And then, yeah, I think I made all the other kits. So let's see. Yep, I made that one. I made this one. And I made this one. So this one's from Planning Choco, I think. It's like a pink lemonade. I didn't use foil overlays here either. And I think I like it. I think it's okay. So, yeah, again, I drew out this layout. I've started to get rid of these, like my cleaning routine down here, but I think I might add it back in. And then I always give you peeks at stuff. So here is what I did for August. I just was like, I really haven't done a monthly layout, so I'm going to do a monthly layout. This was also a printable that I used, and I used some other like Happy Planner stickers, but most of these stickers came from a Patreon printable from last summer. And then another thing, this is Planning Choco. This is the week we normally go on vacation, which we're not doing this year, my grandma's birthday, and I think Michigan voting, primary voting or something is on the 4th. So I gotta figure out where my voting place is again because I have forgotten. But yeah, and then we got some, let's just do some before the pin too for August because I haven't done Plan With Me's. I love this one. It's so beautiful. I love it. I also love this one. It's so beautiful. I love the hollow. And then this one is Marky's birthday week. I love it. It's got gold on it. And I just used like that backyard type of kit that's been popular because it had a little boy. And so I didn't use the little fashion girl with it because I wanted to make it to be about like Marcus's birthday. So that is my flip through for, let's see which one's, I think this one was my favorite layout in July. So that's my flip through for July. I hope you enjoyed this video. I normally don't do any after the pin stuff except for these videos each month. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love for you to stick around and, you know, check out the other Plan With Me videos that I have. I'll leave a link to my bullet journaling videos because that's what I've been doing all year. I'll leave a link to that down in the description box. So yeah, if you want to check out, you know, my layouts through the week or like different things that I do, I have a work planner that I share on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. It's at 5/16. And I don't really do flip throughs of it because I don't know what I can and can't share with you guys. It's nothing really top secret, but I just don't know. So, like I said, hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.